How do you make sure technology actually contributes to achieving your organizational objectives? And how do you translate strategic goals into concrete digital skills? In short, there are three main pillars for your organization: business growth, employee satisfaction, and responsible governance. Each pillar can be linked to specific digital goals. First, business growth. Some technologies can directly boost your revenue. For example, if you invest in a new CRM, your sales team needs to quickly master all its features so they can win more clients. Or consider enabling colleagues to run high-quality client presentations via Teams. Second, employee satisfaction. Employees feel more engaged and positive about their workplace when the organization invests in their digital skills. Supporting people through change is not just nice to have, it's a driver of satisfaction and retention. Third, responsible governance. Think about compliance. Every organization now handles sensitive data. But do your colleagues know how to store it securely and how long it can be kept? Or take cybersecurity. If colleagues can't recognize suspicious situations, your organization becomes highly vulnerable. These are just a few examples to show that digital skills are not a luxury. They must be part of your core strategy. And remember, managing your digital goals is not a one-time task, but a continuous process. By linking strategic objectives to digital skills, your organization will be ready for the future.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn. See you next time.